Instructions. You will see 20 riddles in this video. Difficulty will increase with each new riddle and you will get 15 seconds to answer each one. Number 1. It belongs to you but your friends use it more. What is it? It's your name. How many months of the year have 28 days? The answer is 12 months. I have a tail and a head, but no body. What am I? It's a coin. There's only one word in the dictionary that's spelled wrong. What is it? The answer is wrong. What has hands and a face but can't hold anything or smile? Clock. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? The answer, silence. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I? Fire. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Footstep. What is so light that even wind can carry it, but you can't hold it for long? Breath. What goes up but never comes down? Age. What has a heart that doesn't beat? Artichoke. The more you take away from me, the larger I become. What am I? A hole. What can you catch but never throw? cold. I'm taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case from which I'm never released, and yet I'm used by almost every person. What am I? Pencil lead, graphite. I'm not alive but I grow. I don't have eyes but I need light to thrive. What am I? A mushroom. The more you have of it, the less you see. What am I? Darkness. I'm not alive, but I can die if I fall off a table. What am I? Egg. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? The future. I can be cracked, made, told, and played. What am I? A joke. And last one, I'm always in front of you but can't be seen. I'm always behind you but you can never turn around and see me. What am I? Shadow. So that's it. How did you score? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to play more fun games like this, don't forget to subscribe